Hello lovelies, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today let me show you how I made this yummy sweet potato recipe. So please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. So let's jump right into the preparation. So this is my sweet potato, peeled and washed already, and it's about 250 grams. And this is in my pot already. And I'm adding salt and water, and I'll be cooking this for about 10 to 12 minutes till soft. And it's soft, and I'll be matching this with my fork, and this is it. And I'll be adding like 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'll be adding my 1 onion ball chopped already, and 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to be giving this a mix. You're going to be kneading it all together to combine. So we'll be forming a dough from this, and this is it. So you take a portion of it and make a round shape from this, and I'll be using a short skewer for this recipe. And I'll be trying this one more time. Give it a roll, and I'll insert my skewer, and this is it. So let's jump right into the next procedure. Okay, so this is done, and this is how it's looking now. So my pan is on the heat and my vegetable oil is in it. I'm testing my oil to know if it is hot, and it was hot already. So I'll be frying my potato recipe. Please, if you have not subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Please help your sister subscribe. Hit the like button if you like this, and the notification bell, so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And this is it. This was so yummy. Please drop comments at the comment section what you feel about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.